There's our foredeck. So this is what most of a boat looks like in pieces. The largest piece is the sole. That's going to be the deck that you stand on. We've got the bow here. And no, it doesn't look like it. And these are the cross beams or the bulkheads. And the foredeck under here. So now I just have the front of the sole or the deck to do, and the side panels and the runners that go inside. That's all we got. They're long stretches, but well, I don't suppose we're any worse for the wear. We've got a lot of cupping in some of these boards, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Lesson learned on maybe not doing this before the spring thaw actually happens. You know, you work with what you got. So, oh man, I wonder if that'll catch on the camera. Hold on a second. See if we can get that this sunset on here. I don't know if that's gonna come out or not. You gotta take the beauty where it comes, man. All right, so there's actually a heater right here. I put this kind of like space heater from Amazon, kind of meant for garages. It doesn't do enough. It's cold. Tomorrow we're supposed to get something like 15 to 30 inches of snow the next 2 days. So we'll see how it goes. Just the other Sunday, last Sunday, 73 degrees. I don't know. I have been working on like some other content on just like the histories of the area that I'm gonna add in here. But we're almost there. We're almost there. We've got our front of the sole to do, and these sidebars and the runners. So far it seems to be going okay. I don't know how perfect it actually is, and that's kind of the thing. Like if you do this stuff in your garage, it's not going to be perfect. With my ADHD, with me jumping all over the place often enough, it kind of makes me want to get a CNC machine. But when I was looking around, that's a fool's errand, at least at the start of what I'm doing. It's just going to get in my way as far as derail me. But I do know they make these kind that you can hang off the full sheets of panels, and it moves on cables to kind of cut it out. Other than that, it's just going forward. So we're almost there. I'm going to get all these cut out. On the bulkheads and whatnot, it's got notches that the stringers are supposed to run through. I have not cut those out yet. I've kind of got them marked on at least one, so I have a guide. And then the runners themselves have like a 1-inch notch every so many feet. So all of that stuff, because the boat is at least 14 feet long, we're going to have to glue the panels together once it's warm enough. And I've thought about, we're going to make a tent over an area and get it up to heat, and we'll test it. We'll see if that actually works, if we can successfully do it on just like one panel, and see how it goes and how easy it is and what the methodology feels like as we're trying to get it all situated. But we'll continue forward and see what tomorrow brings, and we'll keep going. On our list today, that knocks out this one and that one. So now we just have 2 of the structures that go inside, and these are the side walls. That one's done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these 2. These don't really have a measurement in there, and I think they're butt plates for the sole, or the support underneath where you're going to put the handrail.